Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is special thanks to Ollie from Olight for sending us the Baton Ultra right here. Amazing flashlight because it's crafted for everyday adventure and use, but it's really bright. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is a full unboxing. You're gonna see what's inside and see if it'll work out just right for you. I'm a big flashlight fan. We keep them in our drawer in the kitchen. Sometimes when the lights go out, depending on where you are, we're in an area where lights do go out and we need a flashlight every now and again. But this is really nice because you can just set it and forget it and leave it in your drawer, especially something at this size compared to the other one that we have, which is really big, because this is small but yet powerful. Look at that, you have a little clip there so you can actually use this as a work light. It has a little weight to it, but not as much, not as heavy as my other one. Let's see what's inside the packaging. A little magnetic mount. Not sure I'll put this in the kitchen now. I might put this one right here. Never know when you need a flashlight down here. So I presume that this part is magnetic rail. Wow, this is really strong and robust. We have different charging options. We have the USB to USB-C, and then you also have, I believe, wireless. Another cheat sheet because they have different modes. You have turbo, okay, high, medium, and low, but most of all, this is what I'm a fan of. Back in the day when you went camping, you wanted a bright flashlight. Well, they've got you covered here because we have 1,800 lumens, and that'll run for 198 minutes. Then you have at high, 600 to 120. You know, you decide what works out for you, but on Moonlight, you'll get 100 days. Now that I like because I could picture myself using the Moonlight at home more. Maybe if you're going camping or hiking and you're lost in the woods, just know, maybe take a snapshot of this so you know how many minutes you have left. It is a really bright flashlight. This is great because it looks like there's just one way to charge it, which would probably be right there. You plug it in, and of course, further down below, if you turn this, look at that. It opens up the USB-C connection so you can charge it like that when on the road. Let's see how bright this is. Ziggy, turn off blue lights.
Okay.
And then we'll shut these lights off. Right here, there's light 1, and there's light 2. Probably has one of those protector thingies in there to prevent it from being wasteful when in transport. So, knowing that, moving forward. Yep, see the little battery protector. Make sure you remove that. Pushing the other way. You might be able to snap this off with a tool, but you just have to finagle it so that it screws on correctly. And once it's screwed on, and it's waterproof, but just remember, if you jump into the water with this thing and use it for scuba diving, make sure you seal this. Okay, knowing that, moving forward. So it does pull from here, but it's not going to push. So it's not, can't use it to charge, but we can charge it from like another external source, as you can see right here. But I'm going to put it on the wall so that you guys can see. Just peel off this thing right here like that and find a nice spot for it. Of course, I'm going to charge it from here, but you can have the wireless charging option, which is great, which is the best place for this to go. So you probably want to unplug it and then find a nice spot. So you're going to unscrew this, make sure that's like that. See that? So that's flat. And then put this wherever you want, probably right about there, as you can see, most likely that way. And then put it on the wall somewhere right about there. We make these videos so you don't have to. So as you can see, there it is right there, hanging up on the wall in its own little spot. Like everything else has a home here. And then when you need it, remember it's magnetized, just pull it right off. But let's see how bright it is in here. Definitely a great work flashlight. You press the button, like right here, see that? And then that turns it on. And then double tapping gives you different modes. Look at that. Wow, so we have, that's double tap, brightest probably, and hold it down, that shuts it off. So there are different modes, as you can see. Turn it on, and then you have off. Turn it on, turn it off. On, and then double tap, And then, wow, that's amazing. Look at that. That's really bright. Apparently there's a feature right here in the back. So if I go to the back, right, watch. See? The back will turn it off. Back on. So, you know, you can use it as a tactical light too. Really nice. Triple tap. 1, 2, 3. We'll give you like major strobe. And then that was a triple tap. It is getting hot. See? And then triple tap should shut it off. We don't recommend shining it in someone's eyes because, as you saw, it is bright in the dark. This is really neat because look, that's the lowest light, which is kind of neat for camping. And if we tap it again, double tap, as you can see, it goes all the way up to the brightest. And if we hold it down, you'll see it go back down, see, to the lowest setting. And again, if you want it to go up, you just hold it and watch it go, the little bar thingy move. And as you saw, if I hold it down, it goes through all of them, from the lowest to the brightest. And if we tap it like that from behind, see, you can control it a little bit more easily that way. And then it just goes all the way up. So you decide which mode works out right for you. Kind of neat, huh? A little bright. Don't shine it in anyone's eyes. It does get hot. Remember, we had it set at its brightest. But let's take a look outside. Come. This is really bright. Oh, and just so you know, now until June 27th, you're going to get 20% off on this thing. Look at that. Amazing. This is, I believe, at its brightest. That's off. And that's just on regular light. And I'm going to turn it up some to its brightest. Now remember, the brighter it is, the shorter the battery life is going to be. But this is just to give you an idea of what we can actually see in here. Look at that. See that? Whoops, don't break your stuff. It does get hot when it's at its brightest. But you know, I wouldn't run it for too long. Turn it on. See, that's just one beam. Double tap. And now we're bright. Look at that. We can see the house in the middle of the night. This will last quite some time. You can still see in front of you. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. They have 5 modes: turbo, high, medium, low, and moonlight. You figure out which one will work out just right for you. But for me, honestly, I might just, for home, indoor uses, especially if it's going to be right here in its new home, moonlight. But you decide depending on the level of darkness and how much time you want for the battery to actually last for that experience. That will work out just right for you. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.